SANYODENKI provides servo amplifier with safety module. The module is category 3, PLE, and SIL3. Also, some models without safety module provide one STO safety function, so please purchase the amplifier with safety module when you need more safety functions than just STO. Safety function expansion is available with all amplifier capacity of 200 and 400 volt AC input type. We have analog, pulse input type, and EtherCAT interface type that are available. In the safety module, there are 4 LEDs to show module status, USB port for communication with setup software, and 2 channels of safety input and output ports. Safety input is function when 2-channel safety inputs are enabled. There are 4 total safety inputs and safety outputs. Next, we will explain about safety standard. ISO 13849-1 from 2006 is an international standard that revises ISO 13849-1 from 1999, which was based on the conventional standard EN 954-1 by adding details from IEC 61508 and IEC 62061, which define functional safety. Safety category was defined in ISO 13849-1 from 1999. It is a classification of the safety-related parts of a control system in respect of the resistance to faults and their subsequent behavior in the fault condition, and which is achieved by the structural arrangement of the parts and/or by their reliability. Performance level PL is defined by ISO 13849-1 from 2006. PL is a value used to define the ability of safety-related parts of control systems to perform a safety function under the foreseeable conditions. These performance levels are defined in terms of probability of dangerous failures per hour. IEC 61508-1 specifies the safety integrity level SIL, which is similar to PL. IEC 61800-5-2 deals with the functional safety requirements of adjustable speed electrical power drive systems. These standards divide safety function into stop functions, miscellaneous safety functions, as safe motion functions, or safe brake functions. This is a table of what safety functions SANYODENKI amplifier has. Some standard type drives also have single STO function by default. The model of SANYODENKI RS3 amplifier with suffix C or E are safety type amplifiers. They have one extra STO and some other safety functions as this table shows. Now we will explain each safety function. When STO function is performed during motor rotation, transits to STO state after passing safety function starting wait time, and stops servo motor by dynamic brake. To return from STO state and start motor operation, change safety input to on, contact close, and then change servo on input to on after it turns off once. On-off logic of safety input is not allowed to change. SS1 is a function when safety input is changed to off, contact open, starts the deceleration according to the rate calculated with specified deceleration time constant TVCDEC after passing safety function starting wait time SFWT plus 6 milliseconds. After deceleration completion, transits to STO state after passing motor stop detection wait time MSTM. To return from STO state and start motor operation, change safety input to on, contact close, and then change servo on input to on after it turns off once. SS2 is a function when safety input is changed to off, contact open, starts the deceleration according to the rate calculated with specified deceleration time constant TVCDEC after passing safety function starting wait time SFWT plus 6 milliseconds. After deceleration completion, performs SOS function, safe operating stop, after passing motor stop detection wait time MSTM. To return from SOS state and start motor operation, change safety input to on, contact close. SS1 and SS2 monitors velocity with specified velocity monitoring width, VMW, during the deceleration stop. When velocity deviation continues exceeding velocity monitoring width during error detection time, EDT, it transitions to STO state and outputs a velocity monitoring warning. SOS is a function when safety input is changed to off, contact open, starts safety position monitoring after passing safety function starting wait time SFWT. To return from SOS state and start motor operation, change safety input to on, contact close. During SOS state, it monitors position deviation with specified position monitoring width. When position deviation continues exceeding position monitoring width, SOS MW during error detection time EDT, it transitions to STO state and outputs a position monitoring warning. SLS is a function when safety input is changed to off, contact open, starts safety velocity monitoring after passing safety function starting wait time SFWT. When safety input is changed to on, contact close, this stops SLS function safely limited speed and it can start normal operation again. If safe velocity monitoring error is detected, servo motor stops with the operation selected at force stop operation selection at error detection, SLS stop, servo brake stop, dynamic brake stop, and deceleration stop. SBC is an output for holding brake control signal at while servo off, while transitioning to servo on state from servo off, or while transitioning to servo off state from servo on state. SSM signal is an output when actual velocity is within the safe velocity monitoring level selected by three input combinations of SFIC to SFIE. SLS function and SSM function are not able to be used simultaneously.